Hair extension can be a fantastic accessory to elevate your hairstyle for special occasions like prom, weddings, and parties. Whether you are looking to add length, volume, or a touch of glamour, here's how hair extension can enhance your look for these memorable events. Hi guys, Justine is here, and today let's discuss about hair extension for prom, weddings, and parties. Proms. Prom is a milestone event in many young people's life, and looking your best is essential. Hair extension offers versatility, allowing you to achieve the hairstyle you desire. You can go for cascading waves, intricate updos, or slick ponytails, all of which can be achieved with extensions. Clip-in or tape-in extensions are popular choice for prom, since they are easy to use and can be removed afterward. Additionally, using an extension can add volume to your hair, making it easier to style and ensuring your hairstyle stays intact throughout the night. You can also experiment with different colors to create fun, temporary highlights or lowlights that match your prom dress. Weddings. Your wedding day is one of the most important events of your life, and you want to look absolutely stunning? Hair extension can help you achieve the bridal look you have always dreamed of. Whether you design long, flowing locks for a romantic style or an elegant updo with added volume, extension can make it happen. Hair extension for weddings often include high-quality human hair options like tape-in or micro-ring extensions, which are comfortable and discreet. Parties. Parties are all about having fun and making a statement with your appearance. Hair extension can add a touch of drama to your party look, whether it's glamorous, Hollywood-inspired hairstyle, or a playful, colorful look. Extension provide endless possibilities. If you are not ready for a permanent change, consider using temporary clip-in or halo extension for parties. The option allows you to experiment with different style, lengths, and color without commitment. You can easily switch back your natural look after the event. In summary, hair extensions are diversities and transformative tools that can help you achieve the perfect look for special occasions like proms, weddings, and parties. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's Justine, and I will be back for more videos on Creative Factory based on our YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.